are my guys? Oh, goodbye, guys. Holy moly. What an experience. Oh, do you see the deer? This is nuts. It's too early for this. This cozy house, though. Well, okay, I am actually going to go back over to the cottages because I have not been there in a while and I need to winterize. And the last thing I have to back up is the little mousey who is sleeping, so I gotta put her in a little I have to put her in her little cage. Oh, big stretch, big yawn. You have to go travel. You haven't been at your other cage in a long time. Okay. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was going to start filming when I woke up, but my mom slept over last night as she did the night before. It's just been a really, really good morning. I'm in the zone where I'm just elated with life. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's just, I'm like crying in the car, smiling ear to ear, like just so freaking thankful and grateful. And like, life is just so beautiful today. And I'm gonna cry again. I was just reflecting how happy I am today and how glad I am that when I was manically depressed as a teenager, I decided to stay here and get here. I wish I could tell her how great it's gonna be. Okay, she's back, she's clean, she's not crying, all is good. Taking everything out of the van. Alright, here we go. Demolish for a mouse. I think this could work. I don't know. Oh, that's cute. It's actually quite adorable. Okay. Let's go check. Oh, very nice. Okay, here we go. I have everything. Phone, wallet, keys. Yes, girl. There she goes. Yeah, you better hide it. There you go. You're such a good mouse. Finished bringing all the plants in. It looks great in here. This is fun. Maybe this should just be what the kitchen looks like from now on. I don't know. Okay, I am having a stressful time right now, and I feel like I should talk about it because it's like impeding me from filming or doing anything productive, and that is the fact that I have no idea how I'm gonna winterize this house, and it's just been like a constant thought in the back of my mind. And I've already tried calling heating and plumbing companies, but I was too late in the year. That is my own fault, my own problem. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. As for the rest of the house, I have to figure out how to drain the pipes. It's just stressing me out. It's stressing me out. All right, I have decided to stop stressing about my winterizing water problems and just focus on finishing up this mouse cage today. Just start hacking away, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.